This is the workshop where a lot of the equipment on the expeditions were made during this sailing from Norway to Antarctica. One of the important parts are the sledging boxes, which were made by the carpenters in ash. They had this special feature that you could strap them permanently to the sledges, so you didn't have to pack and unpack in the frozen ice every morning and every night. But on top they had this little lid where you can take out what you needed, and you had little notebooks that said what was in each box. And each of the boxes were numbered, and here you have burned in number 15 in this box. Behind us we have one of those leather sewing machines, which was useful when you made dog harnesses and adapted shoes, etc. It's an important place during the entire expedition.